Hello business besties, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss the benefits of Facebook versus Instagram. I go live on both every single week, but I definitely have a preference. So you want to stay tuned to see which one will work best for your business and which one overall I'm a huge fan of. Let's get into number one. Okay, when it comes to Facebook versus Instagram, Facebook actually lasts a lot longer. Now, you probably already knew that, but here's the benefit to that. While Instagram disappears after 24 hours and you have to remind people, right, that you went live so that they can watch it when it's over, with Facebook, you're able to keep sharing the video and sharing the content long after you've gone live. And if your audience has also shared the video, they are going to be able to see it again, and so will their friends and followers, because it's going to come up in their feeds. So that in itself is a huge benefit to going live on Facebook versus Instagram. Let's get into number two. All right, number two is a big one. Both platforms do let people know when you've gone live. Facebook and Instagram will round up your friends and followers, especially your frequent flyers, and let them know that you're on and you're talking. But guess what? With Facebook, when they go live, it's going to show up in their notifications. So if they miss your video and they don't start scrolling and they check their notifications first, they'll have a notification that says Shayla Varnado was live. That's a big deal, because as long as I'm popping up in your feed and in your notifications, you're constantly going to be reminded that I've got a show that you need to check out. Let's do number 30. One benefit of Facebook over Instagram is that with Facebook, you're able to create an event for your lives. Now, what does that mean exactly? When you go and create a reoccurring event on Facebook, it's going to constantly pop up in their notifications as well. So not only will they get a notification once you've been live, when you're going live, they'll get a notification before it even begins, reminding them that there's an event every single Wednesday or every single day, whatever, and that you have a show they don't want to miss. Huge benefit. I mean, aren't you already loving Facebook more? If not, let's keep going. Number 4 is big. On Facebook, it's easier to encourage sharing. When they're on Instagram and they're watching you live, you're getting great traction, and Instagram puts that huge blinking circle to let them know that you're live while they're scrolling when they first open the application. But here's the thing, with Facebook, you can tell your audience in the beginning, in the middle, and in the end, hey, if you like this content and you love my videos, please go ahead and share it so that your biz besties can see it when they log on every single day. That is super easy, and any replays that come with your video throughout the next week until your next live, they'll know to share it as well. Facebook just gives you a lot of opportunity to get this free advertising in with that constant sharing. That's like my biggest reason, but let's talk about the last tip. Wait, before we go any further, you already know what I'm going to ask you to do. Go ahead, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and make sure you hit that bell so that when I drop my new video next week, you'll be sure to get it. With both, you can download and repurpose your content. So that's one thing that they do both offer you that's a huge benefit, because when you go live, you want to be able to retain that content that you've already recorded so that you can refer people back to your page, back to the video, back to something you've already created. But the big benefit to Facebook is that you'll have a shareable link, because that video will not have disappeared within 24 hours. And if you've done a previous video that you want people to check out, you can drop that link right in the comments. So I don't know about you, but guys, my favorite is Facebook Live. I've been able to grow Wind Down Live, my weekly show that made me the Go Live Queen. Every single week I've been able to grow. I now average at least almost 500 views weekly. We clear 500 weekly, actually. So that's a big deal for a small business. Lots of eyes on my business means more exposure, more engagement, and guess what? increasing that bottom line. So if you want more eyes on your business, you want to reach more potential customers, and you want to increase your income, you definitely want to go ahead and get busy with creating those lives. Now, if you need help, I did create a free downloadable guide that is below. It's a checklist, and it has a lot of information from my previous video, which I will also tag below, with Facebook tips and tricks that you definitely need to help grow your business. Thanks for watching. Oh my gosh, I know I just said thanks for watching, but I also wanted to make sure that you check out my next video that I'm going to drop that is all about the number one mistake that people make in assuming that they can't use video for their business. This is one you're going to want to watch whether you have a service-based or product-based business. Make sure you tune in.